Hi, and welcome to MarineMax of Westbrook. My name is Fred Aberley, and today we're going to do a walkthrough of a 2015 Boston Whaler 285 Conquest. This boat is built with entertaining and long weekend overnight cruising in mind. Here in the main salon, this settee table drops down, enabling you to have a berth here, full queen berth, plenty of room. In terms of a head, the boat has a head with a shower in it. She carries 30 gallons of fresh water. Plenty of tankage for an extended weekend, showering before you go ashore to dinner and such. Over on the port side here, the galley down as it's known, stovetop cooking, microwave, refrigerator sink. Plenty of areas here to store dry goods. Aft, you won't be able to see this, but there is a small television set in here for entertaining. As we go back into the cockpit area, you can see that the boat's equipped with GPS. She also has radar, large display screen, radio, fusion stereo system. Her canvas is impeccable. The boat has absolutely beautiful isinglass canvas, really well maintained by her previous owner. We're lucky to have her coming in on trade. The price of this boat is $164,000. She is well worth every penny. This boat is in one of the tip-top, best condition boats I've seen in a long time. And her design and use is superb for the waters of eastern Long Island Sound out in a Block Island, up in Narragansett in the Newport area. She's powered by twin Verado 225 4-strokes. She carries 200 gallons of fuel. Again, I mentioned she carries 30 gallons of fresh water. She does have a generator on her. She's got live bait well. She has pull-out bench seats back here in the aft cockpit area for entertaining. Down below, one of the great features of the Boston Whaler is everything is very easy to access. The batteries, the fuel, the generator, everything's right here ready to go. So if you guys have any interest in getting into a great boat at a super price, please come see us. We're MarineMax, Westbrook, Connecticut, 860-399-5581. My name is Fred Aberley. You can ask for any of our knowledgeable sales staff to help you. So thanks for watching.